Hello friends, this is the classroom project channel and this is the tutorial for AutoCAD learning part 9, and we are going to draw a 2D drawing today for practice. As far as you know, this drawing for the beginners, and now we are going to draw it. So let's start. First of all, I want to tell you that if you like this channel, you can subscribe or you can like the video. Also, you can press in the comment box so that you can give any your valuable comments. And for the developing the channel, I will follow your comments. So let us come back to our drawing. You can see a 2D drawing is on our screen, and we are going to draw it on AutoCAD. And with the drawing you can learn how to draw in AutoCAD using the previous commands. So first of all, we need to determine from which point we are going to draw this. So I'm going to draw it from the left side. So let's get started, and I'm going to make it smaller on the right side, and the AutoCAD will be on the left side, and make the picture a little bit zoom in so that we can see the picture very well. So now we are going to draw a circle. Let us select 5, 5. The radius will be 0.75. Again circle, and we are going to select the center point. Now the radius will be 0.437. We have our two circles, and we have to select the line command so that we can go on the right side 1 unit, and the degree will be 0, so that it is perfectly 1 unit as far as you can see the distance. Now I am going to copy these two circles with respect to the center and put it on here. Now I need to make the ortho on so that the line will be straight, and use the move command. Let us turn off the ortho. Again copy command. Again line command. Now we are going to do the trim work. So as you can see, we have our first thing, and now we are going to move in the last position. You can see there is 5.804 the distance of the length. We are going to select a line, select the center. The distance is 5.804. The degree will be 0. So we have our last point. Now we are going to draw another circle. The circle radius is, let's go to the end. Okay, the radius is 0.875. Again 0.438. We can delete this line. We have to draw another line. The distance is 2.312 and the degree will be 0, 180. So another circle in this section. The circle diameter, so we have to select D for diameter. The diameter is 1.75. Again circle, the diameter 1.125. Now we need a line on 40-degree angle. So the length is no problem, but we need 40-degree. So I am selecting the degree 40. Okay. So turn on the ortho and make it little bit extend. Okay. Now we are going to draw a circle. So that we can determine the intersection. I'm going to copy these two circles with respect to the center. Let us turn off the ortho, put it in the intersection. Now you can delete the big circle, and I'm going to draw 4 circles. Okay, now we are going to do the trim work. We have the section. Now we have to draw another circle in the center. The radius will be 1.375. And now we are going to need a circle which is 10, 10, tangent, tangent and radius. It is in the drop down menu, and we have to select 2 tangents like here and here, and the radius will be 0.625. Now again the trim work. Okay, so Now we are going to draw the upper portion, and we need to determine the distance, the height and the length. So first we need the height. So the height is here. I am going to select a line. The height should be 1.875. The degree should be 90. The length should be 0.75 and the degree should be 180. We have our center point. Let us go to the drop down menu and select the first circle, and the circle radius, now diameter, is 1.625. Again circle, the diameter is 0.75. So you can see it is done. So we need another tangent circle, which is here. In the tangents, and the radius should be 1.75. And we need another one. In this tangent circle, the radius should be 0.625. Now do the trim work. Okay. Almost done, but there is one more small problem. We are going to draw in this section, and it is little difficult to touch perfectly. To draw a straight line beneath it, 90, again line from here to the intersection. Okay, now if you see, we should touch here, but it is very difficult to touch over there. So I am going to do the trim work. Now we can see there is an arc. The circle has been cut, so we can find the center point where we can touch with our line. So I'm going to select our line, make it move, and put it in the center, and we can delete it. We don't need anymore, and we are going to select again circle, specify the center, and perfect. I'm going to use the trim. Again trim. So we have our object. Let's check. Looks same. You can see over here is almost very much perfect. Now if you want to check the dimension, just like the drawing, we are going to check the dimension with the, first of all, the linear. so that we can determine 0.750. You can see here again 1.875, 1.875. This dimension will not tell you any wrong data, give you always the perfect data which one you draw. So you can see the radius and the diameter again. So almost perfect. You can see everything is perfect. Another one diameter we need. Okay, so we can see all the data is okay. So in this way you can draw it, or you can use your own way to draw it. I am not saying that with one way you can draw it. You can draw it in very different ways. You can start it from any point you want. It's completely on your thinking. So try to draw it on your home computer so that you will learn and you can use it in the future. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment, and if you want to subscribe, please press the subscribe button so that you can notify if I give more new videos. Thank you and welcome to the next part of classroom project tutorial AutoCAD for the beginners. In the next part we are going to draw more new drawings. Thank you for watching.